all about translating it to the court.
Correct, yes.
Baka sa community court lang.
Ayun na nga eh.
Baka sa UP community court mo lang napapanood to eh. LJ Gonzalez. With Sarao. Fuentes, he will not stop shooting. Jodel 0 for 4 in the second half. Sandagon with a stick back.
I'd like to see that all season long.
Hierro for 3. Too strong. Sandagon with the offensive rebound. He attacks and he scores.
Offensive rebound, and
He'll always look for Gavin. He's one piece that they missed clearly in the finals against Pampanga, as he was not available in that series.
Shaq Imperial misfires from the outside. Sandago nakakalipas dito sa ating huling yugto. Lagrama cuts. Dempsey
Oh man,
try to meet the ball. What a fake there on the handoff by Simon Sandagon.
So deep. Every player can contribute at any given time. Abundong, mintis yung kanyang press. Tapigan ng bola. Sandagon try to clean it up. Oh man, the spring in his step. Simon Sandagon. Masyon. Field goal shooting both teams. Marikina shooting 33% while 7 out of 19 naman itong Quezon Huskers. Simon Sandagon lays it up and in. 4 straight points.
had it right here. He gets the corner exit.
Dempsey puts the ball on the deck. Layup won't go. Sandagon misses it. Another chance, and Simon Sandagon needing 2 opportunities there. Fuentes ahead to Lagrama. Coping. Drop pass to Sandagon. Laid it on the plate.
What a pass by Topeng.
Percentage shot. Pero alam mo, with his ability, with his shot-making ability, parang pagbibigyan ni lagi ni Coach Marlon yan eh.
That
Para
is-
kay Victoria.
That's right. Again, fast-moving action here for the Huskers. Pero I guess
Going back door, hindi nakita ni Chavez.
Yep.
Fuentes, the turnaround. Kapos. Rebound, Sandagon for 2.
right time.
Manila also on the board. Yabanal. Dumps it down low. Sandagon scores.
Very
Banal, atake sa gitna. Taken away by Baltasar. Takbo ang Manila. That's a missed layup. Nakapasok lang na si Ambrosio. Sandagon gets it back. And he finishes up top.
classic sample of
Under 4 minutes to play. It's a high-scoring first quarter. Banal, LJ. Drop pass. Simon Sandagon for 2.
ganda talaga ng
Stifled there by LJ Gonzalez. Binalikan niya ng isang agaw. Sandagon inside. He scores plus the foul.
and Sandagon, to my opinion, best operates kit one dribble face-off. Because of his athletic ability, and right now, the driving side to the right side of the floor, pretty much his strong hand. That make.
Initial offer.
Weak side cut again.
Sandagon had intentions. 32 points there. Quarter scoring, and Sandagon puts it in. Malakas ang layup. Rebound ni Abundo. Balik kay Fuentes. Fuentes on the move. The beautiful spin move. Too strong. Sandagon keeps it alive. It's Gregorio. No, it's Abundo. To Magbuhos. Inside to Sandagon. Sandagon for 2. Basket plus the foul.
Battle of the two, and Jory Napoles. Vince Magbuhos finding underneath. Itong si Simon went right through Jory and get that N1.
Sandagon na atake si Vic.
Oh wow!
No good from the muscle man. Talio is blocked by LJ Gonzalez.
What a well-timed block by LJ. Huskers on the run.
3-on-1 break. Sandagon will finish up top. 12-point lead. A blitz Tagle. Sandagon the release.
man.
Abundo is wide open. 3-pointer, no good. Sandagon with a strong rebound and a putback. Tagle.
Same thing.
Magbuhos on the kick out. Short on the 3. Rebounding Magbuhos again. Sandagon for 2. Judel, takbo. LJ,
Good pass.
corner. Tres. LJ grabs the loose ball. Sandagon the push shot. Book it.
I thought he was open. He's gonna take this to a nice fake.
Magbuhos to Sandagon for 2. Such a smart play.
To finish the move.
Oo. Laki ng hakbang. Sandagon inside.
Strong move.
Championship. LJ naman reminisces on that trip to Dubai last season. Nakaramihan sa kanila ay first time yun abroad. Sobrang clingy daw sila at pati pag-explore ay laging magkasama. So they really want to get the
2 for 2 at the line. Oh, a steal. Sandagon gets it to Pagaran. Back to Simon. Floats one up and in over the outstretched arms of J.R. Alabanza.
This is where
Pero nakaka-point. Lagrama and Torado.
You have to watch out for Alvin Abundo. He's been just holding that corner 3.
Sandagon, one-hander, gets the friendly bounce.
Klaseng leap, vertical leap rin ito ni Pagaran.
Gab puts the ball on the deck. Binigay kay Sarao. Trying to finish. No good. Excalibur. Simon Sandagon with a...
Teams are actually really just going through the motions here in the first quarter, trying to size things up against each other. Good feed, weak side corner.
Banal could not convert the 3. Magbuhos with a rebound. Sandagon the push shot. He gets the bounce.
So then sa mga variety matches, where they get a lot of the attempts. Matter of fact, they're second to the last when it comes to perimeter attempts at roughly about just 38 per game.
Tamsi lets it fly. Too strong. Sandagon there to clean it up. 8 points and 8 points rather in the game. Hirap na tira yun.
Oh, may depensa eh.
Banal gets it to Sandagon. Shoots over Mangahas. He puts it in.
Simon asking for a foul after that.
48-44 is the count. Lamang ang Quezon. But they can't seem to shake off this Parañaque team.
Yeah, that's right.
LJ finds Simon Sandagon! Oh my!
Entire third quarter, he's had 4.5. Now he's got a couple. Oh no.
Inside, Sandagon for 2.
Thought that was going to be another dunk.
Kay Larry Rodriguez. Sandagon, nakabuelo, lays it up and in.
if you're Jensen, I'm sure you've prepared for
Ang lamang. Abundo, tightly guarded by Malasarte. Sandagon fakes.
Fake.
Attacks. And a 3-point play opportunity comes in. Ang Quezon, 52-35. The lift, the drive. Sandagon, easy pickings in the paint.
That's where he operates best. Inside the paint,